Uh, a very warm welcome to all the students of JC English High School 10th standard. So we are going through the chapter 2 or unit 2 of entrepreneur. Okay, the business studies, and the chapter name is entrepreneur. Still now we have done the meaning of entrepreneur. What is entrepreneurship, characteristics, functions, role, importance of entrepreneur. Even in the last class we have discussed about the self-employment opportunity for entrepreneur. Okay, see, last class you should focus the points on what are the business government is telling that you can take, like advertising, marketing, like that. Okay, that is very important. Then some of the important financial institution, that IDBI, then Industrial Finance Corporation, like that. And what are the promotional organization, like District Industrial Center, Small Scale Industrials Board, okay, KIADB, okay, Khadi and Village Industries. You should focus on these. What are the promotional? They can ask you, name 3 promotional organizations offered by government. Name 3 important financial institutions who are giving loan to an entrepreneur. Okay. And now the last topic, that is the profile of some successful entrepreneur. There are several entrepreneurs in our country. We will in today's class we will discuss about of them, some few of them. Okay, that is the biography of renowned entrepreneur. These are the persons who are the owner of company. So coming to the first point, that is Mr. Dr. Pratap Reddy. Dr. Pratap Reddy, as of now we all know about Apollo Hospital. Almost 750 hospitals are there throughout the country. Apollo Hospital, not only in Karnataka or Bangalore. Okay, it is there in all the states, all the 29 states they cover up, and they are having branches of 750 corporate hospitals. Okay, he developed the first hospital group, the Apollo Hospital. Okay, he in the healthcare center. See, this hospitalization industry, this is known as the healthcare industry. In this healthcare industry, he make a revolution. Okay, once one person came to him and told that in India he is not getting treatment for heart surgery, bypass heart surgery, and he have to go to Texas, which is not possible for him when it comes to the costing. Okay, then Mr. Pratap Reddy, the owner of the Apollo Hospital, he thought, why not we will do something so that these people can do their treatment in India and at also the low cost. Then he started this Apollo Hospital, and in today's world it is a famous hospital with all the modern equipments, whatever it is required in a hospital. Next we will go for Naresh Goyal. Naresh Goyal is the person who is the founder of Jet Airways. Jet Airways is a domestic airways. Domestic airways means those which are Jet Airways, they will carry the passengers within the country only. They will not go to other country. Okay. And Jet Airways is the largest domestic airline under private sector. Under private sector, this Jet Airways is the largest domestic airline. Okay. So he is the person, this Naresh Goyal, who is the founder of this Jet Airways. Number 3. As of now, I think many of you people knows it. Mr. Narayan Murthy. He is the founder of Infosys. Infosys is there also throughout the country, but the head office, it is in Bangalore, and that is also in Electronics City. A very vast area comprises of this Infosys. Okay, Infosys He is one of the founder of Infosys Technology Limited in 1999. Okay, Infosys became the first Indian company to be listed on NASDAQ, National Association of Security Dealers Automated Quotations. In 2017, the company has employed over 2 lakhs people and has a turnover of $10 billion. Turnover means in 1 year what is their business. Okay, and he is the person who carry always honesty, transparency and integrity, and these factors make him the most successful person to be in the software industry. Okay, next is Varghese Kurian. As of now, you all people know about Amul. Amul, that milk product or dairy product they deal with. He is the person who is the founder of Amul. He is known as the father of the white revolution. He is the person who first introduced the packed milk. Okay. Amul milk and Amul products is the achievement of Mr. Kurian. He established a small scale. Previously it was known as Anand Milk Dairy in Kaira district in Gujarat state. Okay. Afterwards he named it as Amul. Next is Dhirubhai Ambani. You all know about Anil Ambani and Mukesh Ambani. So his father name is Dhirubhai Ambani. He was a graduate person. Okay. And what happened? He was the most. His life journey is reminiscent of the Rage 2 Riches story. He is remembered as one of the rewrote Indian corporate history and built a truly global corporate group. Dhirubhai Ambani, alias his full name is Dhiralal Hirachand Ambani, father of a school teacher. Okay, and Dhirubhai Ambani, he started his career by selling bhajan books. Bhajan means devotional songs book. Okay, to pilgrims in Mount Girnar during the weekend. After doing his matriculation, means 10, at the age of 16, Dhirubhai moved to Aden in Africa. He gone to Africa and there he worked in a gas station as an attendant. He came back to India in 1958 with only 50,000 rupees, and then only he started his business, and he was having a mindset that I will not stick to one business. Okay, the name should be one, but I will be in all the sectors, means textile, then your energy, power, infrastructure, capital market, logistic, okay, telecommunication. You can see Reliance petrol pumps are there, so many products are there. Okay, next come Azim Premji. He is the owner and chairman of Wipro. It is the largest software company in India. Now it becomes TCS, means Tata Consultancy. Previously it was Wipro. His company is the largest independent R&D, research and development company in our country. Next it comes Ekta Kapoor. Ekta Kapoor, I think you people, most of the people are very familiar with this name, because Ekta Kapoor is the person who make a revolution in the TV serials. Okay, she is known as the queen of Indian television sector. She is the creative director of his company's name is Balaji Production. Okay, and they produces the serials. She got an award, okay, for the most promising entrepreneur in 2001 when she was only 19 years old. Next, the last one is Kiran Majumdar Shaw. Okay, she was a poor person, and when she was a poor person means she was very good in study, but from a poor family. Okay, now she is the managing director of Biocon Limited. Biocon is a biotechnology company in India. She started Biocon in 1978 in a rented garage, faced with variety of problems and challenges because biotechnology was a new field and a woman entrepreneur promoted such an enterprise was very rare in 1978. You can think that time nobody think that a lady can become an entrepreneur of a company, but she crossed all the barriers and then she become a successful entrepreneur, and today's world Biocon is a leading biotechnology company. company of the world, not of India. Okay, here one thing I will tell you, here they have given some persons, but they must give about Mr. Ratan Tata, who is the owner of the Tata Group. Okay, so you people should know about Tata Group, or not Tata Group, Ratan Tata from Google. I will send you the notes. This time it will not be handwritten because this is a story type. So I will take a clip and I will send it to you. So those who don't have the book, they can also go through it. Okay, so with this we have finished our business studies part 1. Thank you.